Namaste everyone. Welcome to IKEM. In this video, we will see the meaning of Sankshepa Ramayanam. It is the first sarga of Balakanda in Valmiki Ramayanam. It is a complete Ramayanam explained by Muni Narada to Rishi Valmiki in 100 slokas. Later, Valmiki wrote remaining 23,900 slokas. Now, we will see the meaning from sloka number 1. अथ श्रीसङ्क्षेपरामायणम् तपस्वाध्यायनिरतम् तपस्वी वाग्विदाम्बरम् नारदं परिपप्रच्छ वाल्मीकिर्मुनिपुङ्गवम्. The great sage Valmiki asked sage Narada, who always is busy in meditation and mastering the Vedas, and who is the greatest among people who knows Vedas. Konvasmin sampratalloke गुणवान् कश्च वीर्यवान् धर्मज्ञश्च कृतज्ञश्च सत्यवाक्यो दृढौ व्रतः. Who exists at present in this world and who has all good qualities, who is valorous, who is the one devoted to just action, who is grateful, and who tells only the truth in all circumstances. Charitreణ च को युक्तः सर्वभूतेषु को हितः विद्वान् कः समर्थश्च कश्चैकप्रियदर्शनः. Who is that man who has all the good characters and who does only the good to all animals, who is extremely knowledgeable, who is capable of doing rightly all actions, and who only shows love outside. आत्मवान् को जितक्रोधो द्युतिमान् को न सूयकः कस्य बिभ्यति देवाश्च जातरोषस्य संयुगे. Who is that man who has won over his anger, who is sparkling, who does not have jealous, and who in war even makes devas fear struck. एतदिच्छाम्यहं श्रोतुं परं कौतूहलं हि मे महर्षे त्वं समर्थोऽसि ज्ञातुमेवं विधं नरम्. I am extremely anxious to know about such a person. O sage, only you are capable of telling me about a man with all qualities. श्रुत्वा चैतत्त्रिलोकज्ञो वाल्मीकिर्नारदो वचः श्रूयतामिति चामन्त्र्य प्रहृष्टो वाक्यमब्रवीत्. Sage Narada, who knows everything that happens in all the three worlds, after hearing all the words of Valmiki with happiness, addressed and pleased to hear. Bahavo durlabhaschaiva ye tvaya kirtita gunaha mune bhakshamyaham buddhva tairyukta shruyatam naraha. Those characteristics that you have narrated are very rare. I would think over and tell you about a man who has all these qualities. Ikshvakuvaṁshaprabhavo Ramo nama janai shrutaha niyatatma mahaviryo dyutiman dhritiman vashi. Now, Narada is telling there is a prince who is born in the Ikshvaku clan, who is called Rama, who is famous among people, who keeps his mind under control, who is a great hero, who is shining, and who is firm in his resolves, and who attracts others. बुद्धिमान् नीतिमान् वाग्मी श्रीमान् शत्रुनिबर्हणः विपुलांसो महाबाहुः कम्बुग्रीवो महाहनुः. He is knowledgeable, just good orator, gentleman, killer of his enemies, having thick shoulders and long hands, who has conch like neck, and who has pretty cheeks. Mahorasko Maheshwaso Gudajatrurarindamaha Ajanubahus Sushiraha Sulalatas Suvikramaha. He has a broad chest, he has a great archer, and has hidden shoulder bones, suppresses his enemies, and has long hands, good head, and handsome forehead, and pretty giant look.